When traveling, stained, smelly, or wrinkly clothes can ruin your trip. You have a limited wardrobe the way it is, often without the luxuries of stain remover, a washing machine, or iron. So mitigate wardrobe problems with today's tip. Pack low maintenance clothes. Low maintenance clothes come in many forms. So first off, choose ones that are lightweight and dark in color. This way you don't have to worry about stains or sweat marks. Dark colors are also easier to mix and match outfits. And if you do travel laundry, you can wash all the colors together without color running. Secondly, bring jeans. Denim jeans are great because they're not supposed to be washed after every use, making them perfect for traveling. Many denim heads recommend wearing the same pair of jeans for 2 to 6 months before washing them, or ultimately when they smell. Plus, they're durable and look great with many outfits, making them super low maintenance pants and perfect for traveling. Thirdly, and finally, bring fast drying fabrics like merino wool and avoid cotton altogether. Fast dry fabrics are made of polyester, nylon, or merino wool. They dry quickly indoors between 2 to 6 hours and less than an hour when placed in the sun. What makes them dry fast is based on how much water they absorb when wet. Polyester and nylon absorb about 0.4% of their weight in water. Merino wool absorbs about 33% of its weight in water, and cotton absorbs about 100. The lower the percentage, the less moisture there is to dry, and the less time it takes to dry. So again, if you wash your clothes while traveling, fast drying fabrics will make doing laundry a lot easier as your clothes are almost guaranteed to dry overnight. Plus, polyester, nylon, and merino wool are naturally resistant to wrinkling, unlike cotton. So you don't have to worry about those hideous creases on your shirts. If you want specific suggestions for where to buy some of the best low maintenance travel clothing, then check out this video's description for my favorites. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's Travel Tip Tuesdays tip. Please click the like and subscribe buttons now if you did, and I will see you next Tuesday. Happy trails.